This is EVS activity number 5, and my topic is global warming. My name is Swapnil Ledange, roll number 25, and PRN is 987. And the next slide is about the global warming crisis. The Earth is experiencing unpredictable warming, with 2024 officially recorded as the hottest year in the history. Global temperature have risen by 1.55 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial baseline, pushing ecosystem and community to the brink. We have now endured 8 consecutive years of record-breaking ocean heat, threatening marine life and intensifying extreme weather events. These are not distance warmings; they are present realities. The science is clear, and the evidence is, and we are in a climate emergency. Immediate and collective global action is essential to reduce emissions, transition to renewable energy, and safeguard the future of our planet and generation to come. The next slide is about the science of climate change, human impact. Human activities are the dominant cause of the Earth rapid warming, with no alternative explanation supported by the scientific community. The burning of the fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes have dramatically increased greenhouse gases concentration in the atmosphere, trapping more of the sun's energy. This has led to rising global temperature, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather patterns. Natural variations alone cannot account for the scale and speed of current changes. The evidence is overwhelming. Our actions as reshaping the planet's climate, urgent science-based policy, and sustainable practice are the only path forward to avoid irreversible damage. And the next slide is about unpredictable temperature rise. Rapid increase. Global temperature leaped over zero point 0.4 degrees Celsius in 2 years, and the record peak August 2024 reached plus 1.6 degrees Celsius above the early 20th century baseline. And the monthly records are every month since June 2023 broke temperature records. Greenhouse gases concentration. What are greenhouse gases? Gases that trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, maintaining the planet's temperature. Key greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide (CO2), methane (CH4), nitrous oxide (N2O). Key statistics as of 2024: CO2 levels have exceeded 422 ppm, highest in over 8 lakh years. Methane concentration have increased over 150% since pre-industrial times. Nitrous oxide levels have surged by 24%. Impact of rising greenhouse gases. Enhanced greenhouse effect, global warming and climate change, ocean acidification, ecosystem disruption. Global impact, melting and rising. Ar- Arctic ice 18 lowest extinct in 18 years. Antarctic ice 3 lowest extinct in 3 years. Glacier loss, largest 3-year mass loss on record. Sea level rise rate doubled. And the path forward. Rapidly phase down fossil fuel use, carbon principle, implement global carbon principle strategies, reduce methane emissions significantly, avoid climate tipping point at all costs. Now, the last slide is about conclusion, a critical moment. We are on the brink of an irreversible climate disaster. The continued rise in global temperature threats to push natural ecosystem beyond their tipping points, leading to consequences that cannot be undone. This is a global emergency, one that transcends borders, politics, and economics. The very fabric of life on Earth is imperiled, from melting ice caps and vanishing biodiversity to food insecurity and displacement. Every fraction of a degree matters. Each small increases amplifies the risk of catas- catastrophic event. The time for hesitation is over. Only bold, unfilled, and immediate action can steer us away from the path of collapse. Thank you. आता काय दिसलो